Despite widespread protest aimed at preventing its passage, Israeli members of parliament have successfully enacted a highly contentious bill into law. This new legislation strips the Supreme Court of its authority to overturn government actions deemed unreasonable. The law marks the first in a series of fiercely contested reforms aimed at reducing the influence of the judiciary, BBC has reported. The proposed reforms have sparked some of the largest demonstrations in Israel's history, with opponents expressing concerns that they pose a threat to the country's democratic principles. The government, however, argues that these measures are necessary to address an imbalance of power, which has led to increased court interference in political matters in recent decades. Dubbed the Reasonableness Bill, it was approved with 64 votes in favor and 0 votes against, as the opposition chose to boycott the final vote. In response, the opposition leader, Yair Lapid, criticized the move as an attempt by an extreme minority to seize control over the majority of Israelis. On the other hand, Israel's Justice Minister, Yariv Levin, praised the MPs for taking the first step in a historic process to reform the judicial system. This decision follows months of turmoil, and Israel's president had previously warned that the country was facing a state of national emergency. Tensions reached a boiling point, with protesters blocking a boulevard outside the Knesset, leading to clashes with the police, who used water cannons and made several arrests. Despite the confrontations, protesters expressed their determination to continue resisting what they perceive as a threat to their democratic rights.